in this example, we're going to print out between 2 to 20 the x2 numbers. Not just printing from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's going to print out like 2, 4, 6, 8 likewise. Let's say for loop for I in range. For range, it's going to start from 2 and end from 20. Has a gap between 2, and then print I. It's going to work like a charm. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 14, 16, 18. So if you have any questions, please make sure. And we want, I said 2 to 20. Same thing, 1 plus 20 as well. So if you have any questions, please make sure to comment down below. And thank you for watching.